Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have my living room rug out on my deck and I'm going to be shampooing it. I did this today over the noon hour when the April 8th eclipse was happening. You'll see some of the light change throughout the video. Where I live, it was just a partial eclipse. It wasn't the whole eclipse. Now I have two really young toddlers, and so goes without saying there is a little bit of Play-Doh in this rug, a lot of dirt, and I really just needed to get this rug outside so that I could get it clean. Really nice of my parents to lend me their shampooer for the day to get this done. I feel like anyone with kids needs to have access to a good shampooer. This one is a Hoover brand one and it had really good suction power. It didn't leave my rug very wet when I was finished. I had quite a few buckets of dirty water that I poured out, more than I showed in this video, but as you can see, every time I emptied the bucket, it was very dirty water. As you can see, the difference is huge. In the before picture, everything was just gray and almost green looking from all that dirt. But you can see how there's a little bit more blue and some more beige in the actual rug. When it's clean, it's really a lot brighter. I used this Rug Doctor Cleaner solution in the shampooer, and it did a really good job. I'm happy with it. Thank you for coming along with me while I clean my rug. I'm going to be leaving it outside on the railing tonight so that it can get nice and dry before I take it inside.